In today's video, I want to show you how you can generate about $500 a week by creating simple flyers.
On the line.
Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can do this, making these simple. Talk about it's called postermywall.com. And over on postermywall.com, you can, create new designs here, browse templates, and they have different products and so on and so forth. So what we're going to do is, this is the game plan. You're going to come over here, you're going to create a bunch of different flyers, and you're going to go to Fiverr.com, and you're going to create an account on Fiverr as a graphic designer. You're going to put a few of your flyers up there so that people can see that's what you do. Alright, and I'll show you guys some examples of people who do this. Alright, so this guy says, I will design flyer brochure. It's going to cost $55. This one, I will realize wonderful flyers or posters for your agency at $20. So you can see on average, like a lot of these people who are designing flyers are getting like $40, $20, $15 for their work. Alright, so it's pretty easy. You get a few clients a week. If you're doing this, $250. This guy's pro verified, or this lady, she's making $250 per person. She gets 2 clients a week. Boom, she's made $500 in a week. Just like that. If you're just starting out, maybe you'll charge a little bit less so you can get more reviews. This one only got 8 reviews, $20. 46 reviews, so they've been on there for a little while. Alright, so you set yourself up a profile. You come back over to Poster My Wall. You go to Browse Templates. We'll go with all templates. And let's just take this one for example right here, the sports one. So we'll open this up, click Customize Template, and essentially what you're going to do is just kind of change some things here and there. Change the wording out a little bit. From your restaurant right here, you change this to say like exactly what your business is. So it could be like let's see here, is that working? Bob's Diner or something like that. Oh, there's no B, but okay, Ob's Diner. So you're gonna just move that around however you like, and you can fix this up however you like to do that. Change it around if you need to. Maybe add a different image in the background. Okay, you can find some stock images there. Let's go basketball, search. But you get the idea, right? You're just going to move this stuff around, to suit your needs or your client's needs. And now you can do it for free, but you're gonna have a large watermark on there, and a lot of people aren't gonna want that. So I would just suggest you just buy it for $5. And then when you come around here, you're selling it for $20, so you're making $15, or you're selling it for $55, so you're making $50, or whatever the case may be for you. Okay, so that's a great way to make some money.
For any business to be successful, it's no surprise they need to advertise. Promoting a business, product, or service is a big part of a business's success, so it can grow. There are many different ways to promote a business, but the costs involved can vary dramatically. This is why flyers are still one of the very best ways to get your product or service in front of your audience. And the reason for that is very simple. They work. Did you know that nearly 50% of people pay more attention to a flyer than to an email? So let me ask you a question. Do you think it is easy to design a pro-quality flyer? Well, if you do, you thought wrong. It takes a lot of time and design experience to make pro-looking flyers that look amazing. So there must be a much easier way to create pro-quality flyers, right? That is why our team have spent the last 6 months developing this monster package of very easy-to-edit flyer templates that everyone can use, even with no design experience or Photoshop skills. Eazy Flyers is a brand new collection of flyer templates anyone can use. The best part is you don't need any technical or design skills. You don't even need Photoshop because all the flyers can easily be edited with Microsoft PowerPoint, a program that you should already have installed on your PC. Forget ever again having to spend a fortune hiring graphic designers, agonizing Photoshop sessions, and low-quality outsourced designs. If you can move your mouse and click a few buttons, you'll be able to easily edit our designs in a few minutes. Today, get access to Eazy Flyers for a single one-time payment, lower than the price of one single template on other sites. Check out the rest of the details below and grab this special offer before it ends.